Understanding lean meat, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss that often pops up in conversations about food and nutrition: lean meat. We're going to delve into what it means, why it's important, and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English conversations. So, let's get started. First off, let's break down the phrase lean meat. The word lean in English generally refers to something that is thin or has very little fat. When we apply this to meat, we are talking about cuts of meat that have a low amount of fat. Examples of lean meats: chicken breast, without the skin; turkey; fish like cod or tuna; certain cuts of beef, like sirloin or tenderloin. By choosing these lean meats, you are opting for a healthier option with less saturated fat. Now, why is lean meat often talked about, especially in the context of a healthy diet? Lean meats are considered a good source of high-quality protein without the added fats that come with other types of meat. This can be beneficial for building muscle, losing weight as part of a balanced diet, maintaining a healthy heart due to less saturated fat. Let's now look at how you can use the phrase lean meat in your English sentences. Example sentences: 1. My doctor advised me to eat more lean meats like chicken and fish to improve my health. 2. If you're trying to build muscle, incorporating lean meats into your diet is essential. 3. I prefer lean meats because they are lower in fat and calories. And that wraps up our discussion on lean meat. Remember, this phrase is very common when talking about food, nutrition, and health, and understanding it can really enhance your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in the next video.